Good morning, good people. Now let's see how to make the DIY video. So right now we need to make the box organizer, which is that to holding all the things that you have in your daily activity, and we need to prepare all the things before we make the video. Let's continue. First one, we need to glue gun to holding all the things that you need, the recycle clutch and scissor, some glitters, and also the regornation. And this is the recycled tins of the chocolate, recycle box, calendar holder, and also some of the things organizers. Then people, let's start the cut the box that's already there to hold it. Need to more tidy, right? So alright, good people, thank you so much for watching us. My petty box that's already finished with the other things. Don't forget to listen my next DIY last. Thank you for watching me. Please put your comment in my video and also like my video to get the point. Yeah. Alright then, thank you so much for watching me. See you next time.